In this video, we will cover how to communicate changes which may affect the authorization and how to notify the authorities about such changes. To communicate changes that may affect the authorization, you need to go to the authorization through the My Applications and Authorizations page. When clicking on the authorization is opened. Here you can click on Submit information which may affect the authorization status or content if this button is enabled. In this case, the authorization is active and we have no other processes ongoing, so we can submit information which may affect the authorization status or content. Then the page is opened and we need to provide the details of the changes. We will first provide a description, so in this case it's change in the declared legal status from medium company to large company due to recent growth in both work phase and turnover places as within the large company classification. We could attach some documents to prove this, and then there's the application data that we wish now to update. So we are updating the application data, but from the View Authorization page because we can no longer touch the application once a decision has been taken. In this case, we will prefill, and when the prefill is successful, the three tabs are filled in with the application information data. So as you will see, we have the same information we filled in during the application submission, both for the stakeholder details and the activity details, and also the financial and operational details. As we have communicated, here we wish now to change this from medium to large. We could also change this to 55, and if we wish to change the activity details due to a bigger turnover or for the financial details, we could. However, for this example, we will just modify these fields, but you can modify any field in the authorization as long as all the required constraints are completed. So when this is done, you need to click on Proceed. Of course, we can always save for later use and complete our draft afterwards. In this case, we have filled in all the information we wanted, so we can proceed. We see the notification that the operation was completed, and we can see now in the Process Data tab of the View Authorization that an information which may affect the authorization status or content has been sent. In this case, there is a description, and whenever a reply is received, it will appear here. We can view the details, and here in the details we can see the application data with the updates. So first the stakeholder details, the activity details, and we would find the financial and operational details at the very bottom. We can also see the send notifications, and we can see that we have sent an information which may affect the authorization status or content. And we can also see the content of this application is the description and the application with data updates.